Africa Content TV.
That's a good question. We have been waiting for this. If this thing will get to them at Abuja there, I think our opinion, if it's going to count, with one reason, they have been deceiving us for a long time. And this time around, they come around with their own opinion, which we supported by telling us about zoning and region. Now, they've told us about the only two places that left over for this presidency of a thing is south, but they never told us southeast or southwest or south. We all know that southwest have been a president, south has been. Now it's the turn for southeast. Now they still don't give it to that southeast. They still take it back to southwest. Come to another party. I'm not talking about. I'm not going to mention any party now. The other party still go back to pick not even northeast, because we have northeast. That's one that's supposed to be. It's only northeast that left for this presidential ticket. You understand? And they did not still give it to that northeast people. You understand? Now they still want to deceive us again. They are not going to deceive us. We are not going to accept. We are going for southeast. Are you getting me? Which is Peter Obi. Anybody that wants to claim anything in this country and make this Nigeria better, the two candidates that is out for the two parties, they are hot. They are very, very hot, and we are not ready to support such. We are not ready to wallow in poverty again. We are tired of their scam. They are scammers. Are you getting me? So now, the only person we have hope in now, according to what they said, going to south east is Peter Obi. We are going to vote for.
My own opinion on this election and the person that may emerge as the president is, most of the people that we've watched their primaries and all that, and we could see, even from their presentation, we already know the man that can represent this country well. So all I want to do is this, all I'm telling all this out to know as citizens of Nigeria, is that we should get our PVC. Please, do not stay at home. Get your PVC and vote for the right person. We are tired of all that is happening. We can see the way the economy is now. Everybody is suffering. So please, if you don't want us to continue in this suffering or whatsoever, please get your PVC on time. Do not stay at home. On that very day of election, please go out as a good citizen of Nigeria and cast your votes. Please go out and cast your vote. Thank you.
I say Peter Obi is the best candidate. Okay. Among all the APC.
So we make Nigeria a better place.
We will make Nigeria a better place.